How appropriate with us doing a Blues Brothers vlog today that we would have a bridge opening right in front of us. You don't like the car? No, I don't like the car. Then Elwood ramps it. Oh, Daze with Jordan, the line begins now. I like to start us over here at the Collins Street Auto Parts. They have a great Blues Brothers mural. I've never toured the prison, so this will be my first time. I've just been here as part of Route 66 to check it out. They have a full mural. We're on a mission from God. There's Elwood picking up Jake, which we will see that exact location. Dan Aykroyd will be here for the festival, along with Brother Z, Jim Belushi. You don't like it? No, I don't like it. Is it the new Bluesmobile or what? There's the nun. Have you seen the light? And then of course right at the very end, Carrie Fisher, who a lot of people don't know, at the time of filming of this movie, she was engaged to Dan Aykroyd. They're here. Here we go.
Hey, Mike.
I love it. That's killer.
Thanks. Yeah, she made them.
Awesome. We're going out here. They have a bunch of different style Bluesmobiles. I love it. They have all kinds of different Bluesmobiles. Some with the horn, some without. Some the different cars from the movie. We've been experiencing rain all morning, so who knows what's going to happen here. We're hoping to meet Dan Aykroyd, of course. This one's the replica of the 2000 movie. Barely been here for, I don't know, what, 10 minutes and we're already having a blast.
This is great. Everybody is in a great mood. Costumes are great. The cars are amazing, and we've just walked in. So.
And yeah, and they have so many police officers kind of around and about because the convention, the Democratic convention, is also happening. You kind of feel like you're in the movie.
Hey, they're excited to be here.
And lots of people in cosplay. This one even says Elwood on it. And they even have some Ghostbusters themed stuff, of course. Sign noting some of the history of the Blues Brothers here, and it says, "This unassuming building holds a special place in movie history as being the location of the Blues Brothers movie where Joliet Jake, portrayed by John Belushi, leaves the prison. He collects his property from a disapproving guard, played by Frank Oz, before dramatically exiting the prison's eastern sally port to be reunited with his brother Elwood." So this was one of the exits right there. I've been a Blues Brothers fan since I was a little kid, enjoying their music, and so this is going to be a blast if we can make it through the rain. So they were making an effort to recreate a Ray's Music Exchange for this festival, so they're going to sell shirts and stuff like that here, so probably help them out with that, buying a shirt. Hey, my favorite Blues Brothers song, Rubber Biscuits.
Do that again.
Bow, bow, bow. Other than the rain, this is a great time. Everything's open. I kind of want to come back and do like a full filming location video of this place by itself, but this is really cool to get a roam around, and the music's wonderful. The festival today opened at 11:30 and ends at 11:30. We didn't know what to expect, so we just decided to get here when it opened. In the alcohol tent, everybody's dressed like the nuns. I love it. True character of the movie. The Blues Brothers coffee and merch booth. And of course, Dan has his tequila brand. Rest in peace, Judy Belushi, who was a huge part of all this. Dan did a post and said it. She was kind of the business mind behind the Blues Brothers, staying alive all these years since John's passing. Oh, I love that one. Probably have to get that one. Tom Bones Malone. Lots of rain today. This is probably the 4th or 5th intermittent blast we've gotten today already. All right, it's stopped now. This guy was just over there wringing his shirt out, literally. Things you do for fun. So I just ended up meeting someone here who is considered the largest Blues Brothers collector in the world, and he was telling me that apparently this is gonna be Dan Aykroyd, Elwood Blues' last show. With the passing of Judy, I guess he's not gonna keep it going, so this is even more monumental than we knew. People are taking photos behind the jail doors over here. They do have most of the prison open, so you can kind of walk around and tour it. A lot of the buildings are in such bad shape. People have vandalized them, but I love abandoned locations and looking around anyway, so old filing cabinets and stuff. So here, completely restricted because everything is falling apart inside. She's dressed like Aretha. Looks just like her too. Somebody we talked to that came to the first one, this is technically the second one, said that it was jam-packed. So probably by the time the Blues Brothers go on tonight, it'll be pretty busy. I've been to some fan conventions before, but I think this is the first that I've seen at least half or more of the people that are showing up are dressed like one of the Blues Brothers.
Giving up on your love, you're driving me insane. Feel like I'm balled up in chains.
So here's our crowd at about 2:30. I think the Blues Brothers are taking the stage about 8. Brother Z just arrived, Jim Belushi. I brought a poster of one of my favorite movies he's in called Real Men. Brother Z.
I gotcha. I gotcha. I will give you whatever you need.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's a great room. Yeah.
Love you, buddy.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Tons of convicts out here now. Dan on the golf cart. Yeah, Elwood!
Look at that.
There's Bones Malone down here, the trombone player, signing some autographs. I'm going to try and add them to my Blues Brothers poster that John Landis has already signed for me in LA. There it is, Tom Bones Malone. Awesome. Dan! Believe it or not, we tried all day and Dan Aykroyd did not make any time for any fans all day long. A lot of people were really disappointed, and I am too. I think that's pretty bad when this is the last Blues Brothers convention that they're gonna do because Judy passed and he didn't make any time to sign one autograph or say hi to fans. I actually have always been a big fan, but I think today kind of turned it for me. I'm really disappointed that, I mean, there are people here all the way from Turkey and he didn't even like look at people. When he walked from place to place, he looked with his head down, and like, that's a real disappointment.
Let's give it up for Daniel Divasay. If you don't have a copy of this book, you should. It's also available on audio. I'm not getting any kickbacks from this. I'm telling you, as a true fan of both Dan Aykroyd, John Belushi, the Belushi legacy, and of the Blues Brothers, you need to check this book out. It is fantastic. There's some photos here.
Here's Jim Belushi.
I'll give it all to you. Oh, bro. I'll give you all of another that too. Everybody wants something. When they get it, they want more than that.
So this guy, he was performing in a bar when John Belushi was filming Animal House. And this is the guy that turned John on to a lot of great music.
Like, you know, I'm gonna play my music until I reach.
Yeah, it got pretty full now.
All you need is faith to hear the deep.
Hello, Joliet. My mother was the beautiful Judy Belushi Pisano. I would like to thank the Joliet staff, Greg and everyone at the prison who is dedicating tonight to my mom who passed away last month. My mother was a champion for the Blues Brothers and the Blues Brothers brand for nearly 40 years. Married to John Belushi and partnered to Danny, Jim, and everybody who has also championed the Blues Brothers legacy for the last 45 years. And I'd like to just take a moment to give her a round of applause for all of her hard work and everything she put into the Blues Brothers. Let's sing so loud that she can hear us right now, because she kept the weather nice all day for us.
Tom Bones Malone.
And now, on this beautiful Illinois summer night, it's time to bring two founding artists of BluesCon to our stage. Here in the yard of the world-famous Joliet Correctional Institution, as the prison preservationist organizations, the City of Chicago, the City of Joliet, and the great state of Illinois present for your exclusive listening and dancing pleasure two men who live to keep the music of their brother Jake alive. Will you please welcome from Calumet City, the Legacy Brother Elwood and the Blood Brother Z. Here are Elwood and Z Blues, the genuine, no imitation Blues Brothers. yeah. I got the game all day. Sweet home Chicago. One more time. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Blue, one is two, two is four. I see Blue Sister Judy coming through that door. Hey, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place. I sweet home Chicago. I got 300 pounds of heaven and joy. Oh, this is it. This is it. Look what you get. All for you, baby. Oh, this is it. This is it. Look what you get. This is it. Look what you get! Come on! History right here in Joliet. We're the Blues Brothers Formal Classic Review. We come from Calumet City, and we practice our windsurfing in Wolf Lake, where we have a summer home. But I want to say tonight that we've had some great talent on the stage. Little Ed, Toronzo Cannon, and Ronnie Baker Brooks. And how about Curtis Salgado right there on the west coast of the United States? What a player. He was a very big brother. A big influence on the Blues Brothers. And he and Jake were good friends. And of course tonight we dedicate our show to the memory of a lady from Wheaton, Illinois named Judy Jacklin. And without Judy there would have been no Blues Brothers as you know it today. She was not only Jake's spouse, she was also a contributor to the way we look, the way we sound, the story we told. And so tonight, We honor her memory, and we thank you for turning out in such beautiful, wonderful numbers to see our show this evening, and you know our hearts are with all of you. Thank you. Here's one from the old days. When I get me the blues, I get me a rocking chair. It comes my baby flashing a new gold too. When she's so small, she can mama with a paper on blue. Oh, I'm like a Mississippi bullfrog sitting on a house of like a Mississippi bullfrog sitting on a house of. The beautiful, the legend, the original Blues Brother, AYKROYD Blues! Do that again. Bow, bow, bow. I wish sandwich, kind of sandwich, you have 2 slices of bread. And you wish you had some meat. Bow, bow, bow. Now, have you ever heard of a ricochet biscuit? Ricochet biscuit, kind of biscuit you put in your mouth, you bite down hard on it, bounce off the back wall. If it don't bounce back into your mouth, you go hungry. Bow, bow, bow. What a player, what a great knowledgeable man he is about music. He gave us songs to sing. He influenced me and Jake in a strong, strong way. And how about that section he was traveling with tonight? Wow, what a band. Train I ride, 60 coaches long. Train I ride, 60 coaches long. I traded my baby, now you know she's gone. All you nice people, you don't understand. All you nice people, you don't understand. Hanging around, baby, on that long black train, you don't see your head. Jim Q.
Too much of a fool.
You got to know how to pony, like Boney Maroney. Get down, Carissa. Get down, Carissa. Oh, she knows how to do the rock shake. She knows how Roxy, yeah. Larissa! That's right, Aster. That's right, Aster. Turn around, Aster. Turn around, Aster. 11 years old. She was the love of my life. I've never had, that's the longest relationship I've ever had with a woman. She was beautiful. We dedicate this night to her. But there's another beautiful soul here tonight. The new member of the Blues Brothers Band I'd like to bring up to the stage. She's gonna knock your socks off. Please welcome to the stage the new blues sister, Bessie Blue. Feeling kinda groovy.